This is Emma, and welcome to Esoteric Detective. Strange objects can be found in the most strangest locations. But what if an object was found in an impossible location? Somewhere that it simply could never be? Stay tuned as Esoteric Detective investigates the mystery of the boat on Bouvet Island. If you want to know where the middle of nowhere is, then you can start by looking up the island of Bouvet. There is nowhere on the planet that is more remote than Bouvet Island, which is a 19-square-mile island in the South Atlantic, surrounded by a massive cliff face. There are no trees or vegetation. There is only ice and rock and a freezing cold wind that endlessly howls across an even colder sea. There is also no other landmass within 1,000 miles of Bouvet Island. There is just very cold water filled with strains of ice. There is no trading routes, and there is no reason for anyone to go anywhere near Bouvet Island. So why is there a boat in the middle of a small frozen lake on Bouvet Island? And how did it get there? Remember, Bouvet Island is surrounded by massive cliff faces. In fact, the boat can only be seen by helicopter. But yet there is a boat in the middle of the island, in a place where it could not, and should not be. There is no wood to make any boat from, so it had to be brought to the island, somehow. And for what reason? The boat was first discovered in 1964 when scientists were investigating the construction of a remote weather station. The boat lacks any identifying markings and no human remains were found. The only things that were found close to the boat were a pair of oars. Ever since the boat was discovered, it has become a true conundrum, raising endless questions. That is, who bought the boat there, and why? And how did they even get it to the middle of the island, up the sky-high rock face? It has baffled many experts, including London historian Mike Dash, who took an in-depth look at the mystery of the boat on Bouvet Island, only to walk away with no answers. To this day, it remains one of the world's greatest mysteries. Did you like my investigation into Bouvet Island? If so, stay tuned for more. And don't forget to rate and subscribe. And as always, this is Emma, and thanks for watching.